Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you are doing absolutely amazing. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about if and if else. We are going to learn about condition, what is condition, how conditions run in Java or in any other programming language. So first of all, we need to learn about what is if. So if is just an English meaning and it works same as the meaning of in English, but you can see on the syntax it is the syntax. First of all we need to write if, then we need to write the condition, and after that we will write our code. As you can see, it is used to test the condition. If the condition is true, its body will execute, otherwise does not execute. And if we want to execute another thing, like if this will not happen, so that it means else. So for that we can also use if and else. So as you can see, the syntax is basically same. As you can check here, if the condition is this, so it will run, and if the condition is not this, so this will run. It is used to test the condition. If the condition is true, body of if will execute, otherwise body of else will execute. So let's go to the coding area and let's do some code. So now we are in code area, so let's write our code. So first of all we are going to learn if condition. So let's write it. Let's take an integer which is x is equals to, let's put it as 100, and if in any condition our x, which is 100, is less than, sorry, greater than 90, so our condition will run. So now what we need to write it, what if, let's write here system dot out dot println. So after println, let's write it, yes, it is. So let's run the program. Okay, sorry, I've done something which is debug. So now as you can see on the output, I have not got any output. Let's, okay, it is showing that. Okay, so yeah, as you can see on the output section, yes, it is. So now the turn for if and else condition. So what we are going to do is, in if else we are going to just put here as else. Else what will be the output? Okay, sorry, I have done again some mistake, because mistakes are the best thing. They teach you lots of things. So system dot out dot println, and now let's write it. No, it is not. It is. Okay, sorry, it is not. So as you can see, it is not. But now let's run it and we will get the same output, which is yes, it is, because our x, which is 100, is less than 90. But if I will put here again 10, which is 900, so now we will get the output, which is no, it is not. Let it be ready. Yeah, so it is. As you can see, no, it is not. So that is how if and if else work. Hopefully guys you have got the thing, and in our next some lectures we are going to take output also from the user, and on that output also we are going to learn something epic about if else. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you have enjoyed this, so please don't forget to like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, so please guys subscribe it fast. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.